Hello artists, today we're going to make a still life of some kind of food inspired by Lichtenstein. So you will have a piece of paper. The direction that it goes depends on what food you have. Like I have a pear, pears are tall, so my paper needs to stand up. If I had something wide, like a banana or maybe a tomato, if I had a tomato, my paper might need to be wide instead. I am using the pear though. I would like your name in a corner and class and flip it over. When we are drawing from life, we're not going to guess and draw what you think you see in your head. We're actually looking at what is in front of you. And you can't copy your neighbor because they're not looking at it from the same view that you are. So good plan is to take your pencil and in the air, this is important, your pencil does not touch the food. In the air, you trace it. I close one eye and trace in the air. Notice I'm not touching it with my pencil to figure out what the shape is. And we want it to go big or go home. I want this to fill our space. So like this is really round on the bottom. So I drew it so it's really round on the bottom. And then it gets narrower on top. I'm drawing really lightly and using that space. This is a huge pear. Then, if you're trying to figure out angles on things, like if I need to figure out the angle on the stem on the pear, I can line up my pencil, do that trick again with your eye. Close one eye, line it up, and then lay it down on your page, and that will tell you what direction it needs to go. One more time, drawing what we see, not what you think you see. So now I have a fabulous pear. Next we will have newspaper under our art and a Sharpie. And we are going to trace the lines. And if you slip a little bit, we'll just trace it again and make the line a little thicker. Anytime we trace with Sharpie, we always erase the pencil lines when we are finished. Please remember, this is going to be a cartoon, so we're not worried about perfection right now. Next, we need markers, and we are only using primary colors plus black, and you don't have to use them all, but I don't want to see any additional colors. It's just red, yellow, blue, black. Those are your only choices. I'm going to stick with yellow because my pear is yellow. Your food does not have to be a realistic color. And if we look at my pear, there's some spots that look like they're a little lighter. It's called a hot spot. So I'm going to draw where my hot spot is up here at the top. Maybe I add another hot spot down below. I'm drawing that shape. Then I'm going to color around it. Best plan when you use marker is trace the object first, and it's shaped like a cone for a reason. The tip makes skinny lines. If you tip it sideways and use the side, it makes wider lines. Makes it easier to color big things. And I know my stem was brown, but I don't have brown, so I can make it a different color, and that's okay. Next time, we will be making your background and cutting these out and attaching.